Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while. I've been busy doing not YouTube things. I just got home from work and I was editing up some footage that I had from our kayaking little day, and then we were planting the fall garden. So I figured I would share that with you. Yeah, haven't been filming much. I had an inspection with the county, so there was only a few corrections, so I'll be working on those this weekend. But I figured I'd just, edit and throw together what I had, and share it with you guys, and then we'll start fresh. I just came down to the yurt from work, and there was a bear right there. I scared the shit out of him, and he took off running down there's this dead log that kind of runs all the way back into the forest, and he just took off running. So we'll see if he comes back or not. I don't know. It was just a little black bear. I think it was the one I actually might have some footage of, so I'll include it for you guys. So yeah, this is the video. Legs. GoPro. Sorry. Hi, good morning. I am in the garden. As you can see, we have some stuff growing, but it is early August, so I want to direct sow some stuff for the fall garden. So we're gonna get that going right now. Oh, you can see fern. Cutie. So I just wanted to show you kind of what we have going on in the garden right now, and what we're gonna plant for fall, because I think it'll be hopefully a good fall garden. I just think spring this year was a bust because it just got so damn hot super early in spring. So I'll show you what's kind of survived and what's doing well right now. And then this is what we're gonna start today. So we have our root vegetables, radishes and carrots and beets. We have some peas and greens and some herbs and kales and stuff, and broccoli and cauliflower. So I figured I'd just take you along with us. Who's it? Wild rocket. So down here in the hugelkultur bed, we have some corn coming up, sunflowers. Our squash is going to get pollinated right now. And we also have a couple more sunflowers, some squash coming up. This bed, we have marshmallow, a tomato, chives over there, And then up here in this next bed, we have some herbs and some more tomatoes. We got basil, sage, another cherry tomato right there. So this is all looking a lot better. We have more calendula, comfrey, there's a pepper. I don't know, there's this random plant that just came up. I don't know what it is. This guy here. It has really cool, like, red plant body and like veining through the leaves. I have no idea what it is though. It's a huckleberry? Katie says it's a huckleberry. It's not a Schwarzenbeeren, maybe. We have this tiny little pepper. And the comfrey looks fantastic. We have some more squash. We have our kind of wildflower and strawberry bed. So strawberries, lamb's ear, more calendula, some California poppies that are, I think, almost done blooming and have gone to seed. Some hollyhock. I think Kat just caught a lizard.
That's Greek mountain tea.
Oh, green mountain tea, and then some more strawberries over in the corner. And then in the catio we have our fig tree who has like 22 little fruits. They're doing great, and I think oh, I don't think she caught it. And then I had to cage off the watermelon because someone was eating them. But we have a little baby fruit. I don't know. Oh, right there. He's stupid. But I'm gonna have to support him soon. I don't think he's gonna get too big, but you always want to support your melons. And then our strawberry, our raspberry looks great. We actually have some Santa Barbara daisies coming up that are just go real wild here. And then the watermelon that someone ate down to a nub is starting to come back. So I don't know if we'll get any fruit this year, but might as well give them a chance. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.